Is Indian Rupee Asia's best performing currency? Surprising question, isn't it? Because recently we have seen headlines every day telling us that the Indian Rupee has hit all-time lows against the US dollar. So, did it still manage to outperform all other Asian currencies in 2024? According to the Indian government, the answer is yes. Let's break it down. Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary has informed the Lok Sabha, the lower house of India's parliament, that the Indian rupee is Asia's best performing currency this year. Despite the dollar index rising by 4.8% and touching a one-year high of 108.07 in November, the rupee showed remarkable resilience. As of the 19th of November, the Japanese yen has fallen 8.8% in 2024 and the South Korean won has dropped by 7.5%. In fact, all G10 currencies barring the British pound have depreciated by more than 4%. In comparison, the rupee has declined only 1.4%. Now that we know the Indian rupee outperformed these major Asian currencies, let's look at why the rupee dipped to its record low. The answer lies in global factors. Geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and uncertainty surrounding the US elections have driven investors to safer havens like the US dollar. And with the recent weakness in the Indian currency, the Reserve Bank of India has stepped up, actively managing forex volatility. RBI Governor Shaktikant Das has emphasized that the central bank's focus is on reducing sharp fluctuations in the rupee.
During the current financial year, that is up to 8th of October, that is till yesterday, the exchange rate of the Indian rupee has remained largely range-bound. The Indian rupee also continued to be the least volatile among peer EME currencies. This was so even during the high volatile episode following the unwinding of the yen carry trade in early August this year. The lower volatility of the Indian rupee reflects India's strong macroeconomic fundamentals and improved external sector outlook.
While the rupee's future depends on several factors like FDI inflows, global market stability, and OPEC decisions, one thing is clear. The Indian rupee is holding its ground better than many others in tough times. What's your take on the Indian rupee's decline? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more updates from your favorite digital business channel.